Today, polling for the Tripura Assembly elections began at 7 am. The northeastern state is voting in a multi-cornered contest where the ruling BJP is hoping to win. The CPM has unexpectedly joined hands with the Congress and the Trinamool and is also pushing hard. Tripura was ruled by the CPM for over 30 years till the unrest in 2018 when the BJP won 36 of the 60 seats in a state where it barely had any presence. Though the score pushed the BJP well above the majority mark of 31, it still formed an alliance with the regional IPFT or Indigenous Progressive Front of Tripura, which got 8 seats, as an assurance against any defection by its MLAs. The CPM, which ruled Tripura for 35 years, has joined forces with the Congress and its campaign is being led by its 4-time Chief Minister Manik Sarkar. The Left Front will contest 47 of the state's 60 seats, leaving just 13 seats for the Congress. While the CPM won 16 seats in 2018, the Congress, the main opposition in the previous assembly, didn't win any seats. The CPM is hoping that their alliance will help add votes in around 13 seats. But the alliance has drawn flack from the Kerala units of both the parties where they have been sworn enemies for decades. The Tipra Motha is the new party formed by former royal Pradyot Kishore Debbarma with a core demand of greater Tipra land. There is a possibility that the party might clear the pitch for the BJP. While the BJP has the local party IPFT in its corner, its hold on some seats has loosened over the last 5 years. In 2021, IPFT was wiped out in the tribal area's autonomous district council polls and had to accept only 5 seats to contest in this election. The BJP had initially attempted to build a rapport with the Tipra Motha, but its attempts were reportedly futile. After the BJP declared that it would not allow any division of Tripura, the Tipra Motha also hardened its stand, flinging Union Minister Amit Shah's allegation of its being the B team of CPM Congress back at the BJP. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has predicted a hugely improved performance by the party in all 3 northeastern states that are going to polls in the round. Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha has predicted a tsunami in favour of the BJP. Elections are due in Meghalaya and Nagaland on February 27th. The counting of votes in Tripura will be held on March 2nd.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.